Miser Stream, one of the greatest coin magic tricks in the history. With 20 HDD, you can produce 20 health dollars or even more. Hi, Hanson here. Let me introduce to you the number of holder from Black Holder series. 20 HDD, the 20 health dollar dropper. So, what makes this holder unique? Let me show you. We will teach you how to use this device and add it into your Miser Stream routine. Whether you want to produce a handful of coins or tiny objects, 20 HDD will meet your needs. This is a next generation holder you have ever experienced.